everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS killer car. 175 miles on a complete rotisserie restoration. Beautiful car. This car, it's Cortez silver on the top, Cortez silver on the bottom. Literally drive it to a show and put mirrors underneath it. Again, it's a Cortez silver. It's got the black vinyl top, all new black interior. You can see they've got it lowered down a little bit. It's got a Caltracs rear suspension, 2-inch drop spindles on the front. It's got 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust Ds. And killer car, man. Good sounding big block 396 underneath the hood. Muncie 4-speed. It's got air that blows ice cold. Killer little Nova. Sorry, guys. Like I said, it's got 175 miles on a little crack there in the hood. It's actually been done for almost 2 years, they said. They just haven't really driven a car that much. Sorry, guys, just some little water spots. We literally just brought this thing right off the truck, and we're shooting it. It's got the SS hood. Not a whole lot to really nitpick, guys. This car is pretty. I'm sure there'll be some shakedown with it. I always tell that, you know, when there's not very many miles on the cars, you're usually gonna have to tweak and tighten or some stuff like that. Car guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Matter of fact, I just bought a Cadillac from a guy in Minnesota, and it's got 9 miles on it, and that's what he was telling me. Hey, I'm sure you're gonna have to tweak on it. And I told him, I said, I'm a car guy. I totally understand. Slick paint, nice and straight down the sides. Again, great stance. I love how this thing sits. And man, you fire this thing up, I mean, it has got a good sounding 396 underneath the hood. Pretty car. There's one little touch-up mark right there. Not a whole lot to nitpick here though, guys. Pretty car. Front disc brakes. Love the wheel choice. Again, just a great sounding 396. It's got air, power steering, power front disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor in there. Brawler Performance 4-barrel in it. Pretty car, man. Got the dual seam vinyl top. Stainless is nice, glass is nice on the car, new mirrors, new door handles. So it's got all new interior in it. New carpet, new sill plates, factory bench seat car with the Hurst floor shifter. tilt column with the sport steering wheel. It's got 177 miles on it. We put 2 miles on it. It's got a factory dash in it. It's Retrosounds radio. You can see put a Sport Comp tach and gauges in it. It's got the Hurst short throw shifter in it. It is Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a it's got a Caltracs rear end with a 373 posi in it. Sorry guys, little dust. Jack and spares in here. It's all spackle coated like it should be. It's got Moser axles in it. So it's got all the good stuff. It runs strong, but don't think this thing is, you know, super fast. It's not uncontrollable. It's got great sound, but it's not out of control fast. Runs on pump gas. I think sometimes when I tell people it's got a pounded motor in it, they think it's, you know, going to the racetrack. But it does sound good, man. It's exactly how I like them. Dash is really nice. You can see how, oh, if I can focus, there we go. Clean gauges. It's got the vintage AC controls on it. The door fuzzies. AC blows cold. Everything opens and closes real nice. That is a good looking car. Tach works, fuel gauge works. There's so many other gauges that come inside. Parking brake, Jordan. Parking brake works, guys. That car hits, man. Good oil pressure, temperature's good, radio works, blower motor works. Again, everything just kind of clicks shut. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Oh, I like that stance.